Hello lovelies, welcome back to Alake YouTube channel. So today's tutorial is on how to make this twisted turban hairband. It's so easy to make, so if you are interested in learning how to make this, please continue to watch this video. So to make this, you need your fabric, and this is 18 by 7 inches. I have two pieces of that. Then I have 11 by 3 inches, and the elastic is 6 inches wide. So the next thing you have to do is to the fabric that is 18 by 7 inches, just go and fold it into two and sew it with ½ inch. You do the same thing for the second piece, and also the elastic casing, the 11 by 3 inches, you sew, fold it into two and sew it by ½ inch. So if I've already sewed it by ½ inch, the next thing is to turn it out. Just turn it out. I'm using my hand to turn the bigger one, and you can use whatever method you know how to just turn it to the right side. So I'm just turning that to the right side. Then after turning them into the right side, you just go and give it press. Just press it a little. Make sure the joining is at the center. Just press it a little. I've already done that. Can you see? I just ironed it a little. So the next thing is to put the elastic in the elastic casing. I'll be using my safety pin to do that. So just insert it into the elastic casing like that. So you just push it in, just pull it little by little until it gets to the other side. So like so, that's how you're going to insert elastic in the elastic casing. So now at the edge of the both sides, just go and tack it down. You can use your needle, or you can just go to your sewing machine and press it down and just stitch down so as to keep the elastic in place. Whichever method you want to use, it's just fine. Use your pin, or you take to your sewing machine and run a stitch around there. So yeah, I've already run stitch around there. So the next thing is to fold one of your bigger pieces into two. Then you place your elastic casing on one and fold it like so, and then you run a stitch. Just fold it into two, place it on at the center, and take it to the same machine and run a stitch. And after that, you now put the second bigger piece, the second one, just through it, like putting it through the loop like that. So just the way I'm doing it right now, just watch and see it. So now you pull the elastic from the other side, then you place it, just place it on this one, put it at the center, and you wrap the rest of the fabric around it. Make sure it's at the center, then you wrap it around it and take it to your sewing machine and sew. So I've already stitched it, so just pull in the side, pull it in by the side, and also the other side. Just pull in the stitch bar so that it will cover it. And this is how it looks like now. This is just so simple to make. You can make this under 30 minutes. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If you learn a new thing, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and also share this video. Your subscription will really mean a lot to me, so please subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next tutorial. Bye.